How to use ShipStation with Shopify. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to seamlessly integrate ShipStation with your Shopify store. I've put a link down in the description where you can learn more about ShipStation and even sign up. So if you're interested, feel free to check it out for your convenience. Now let's dive into the tutorial. Start by signing up for a ShipStation account. If you don't already have one, visit ShipStation's website and complete the registration process. Log into your ShipStation account after signing up. Now, navigate to the settings section on the left sidebar of your ShipStation dashboard. Select Selling Channels from the list of settings options. Click on Connect to Store or Marketplace, and here you'll see a list of available integrations. Find Shopify in the list of integrations and click on it. Enter your Shopify store URL when prompted. This URL is typically in the format of your store's name.myshopify.com. Click Connect and ShipStation will redirect you to Shopify to authorize the integration. In Shopify, log in with your store's admin credentials if you aren't already logged in. Then, review the permissions request from ShipStation and click Install App to grant access. Return to ShipStation once the installation is complete. Configure the settings for your Shopify store. This includes setting up shipping carriers, choosing your preferred shipping methods, and managing order import. Go to the Orders tab in ShipStation and click on Import to pull in orders from your Shopify store. Select the orders you want to import and follow the prompts to complete the import process. Once orders are imported, you can start managing shipments. Choose the orders you want to fulfill, select the appropriate shipping options, and print shipping labels. Track your shipments using ShipStation's tracking features to ensure everything is on track. ShipStation automatically syncs shipping information back to Shopify, so you can also manually update shipment status if needed. Review the sync settings to ensure your Shopify store reflects accurate shipping updates. And that's it. You've now successfully integrated ShipStation with your Shopify store. Don't forget to check out the link in the description to learn more about ShipStation. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more e-commerce tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.